To get the most out of Confluence, there are some old work habits you may need to let go of and some new habits to learn. We can help. If you've used traditional online learning before, you may have discovered a common problem. After a while, it can become rather boring. This leads to poor results. The problem is worse when you're studying something that you have to learn, rather than something that genuinely sparks your imagination. Science shows us that the reason for this is that different areas of the brain specialize in different tasks. Traditional e-learning, where you watch a screen recording while listening to an instructor, engages mostly with the left lobe of the brain. The left lobe deals with linear thinking, facts, logic, and words. Boredom occurs when the right lobe of the brain is not also engaged. The right lobe deals with feelings, imagination, rhythm, and storytelling. To deliver truly effective online learning requires balancing the left and right brains, engaging them both simultaneously. In other words, mixing logic and language with storytelling and imagination. This is where we come in. Learn by Cartoon doesn't deliver e-learning. We deliver cartoons. Cartoons are fun and engage both the left logical side and the right creative side of the brain. This maintains attention, making learning easier and more effective. Our course has been designed by an industry expert with many years' experience of Confluence, training, and information management. The entire course runs for almost 2 hours, which is split into a number of small, easy-to-watch episodes. To learn most effectively, we suggest that you watch 2 or 3 episodes per day. This fits into most people's schedules, allowing you to complete the entire course at your own pace in 1 or 2 weeks. This also gives you time to practice what you learn in each episode and doesn't swamp you with too much information. At the end of our course, you'll be able to navigate your way around Confluence with ease. We'll help you set up your profile, your network, and use the social tools of Confluence to collaborate more effectively with your colleagues. You'll understand Confluence security, how to work with files and attachments, advanced search, and task management, and much more. In short, we'll help you to really make Confluence work for you and your whole team. Our course is extremely cost-effective, no matter how large or small your organization is. Best of all, you can get started today. So, welcome aboard. And together, let's make Confluence work.